Kameme fans ni matugetwo ni ndeto ya Kîeha na maithori iria matiga magicakaya na ruo runene muno na Ngugi wa Karanja host wa kwibanga show Kameme TV ni wakorwo agicea ndeto ici kuria onake onanitie Kîeha na maithori make na aikiuga it is with deep sadness that he has to share the sad news na aikiuga on behalf of Kameme TV na kwibanga show he sends his deepest condolences kuri umwe wao co-host wake kuria tabarĩra-inĩ ya kwibanga show uria urikitie gukuirwo ni mwendwa wake na Ngugi wa Karanja aikiuga it was a dark Sunday for him ategwitikia ndeto ici na on behalf of the entire fraternity yothe ya kwibanga na Kameme ni akorwo agicakaya na family ya Wanjiru Kîeha a counselor na co-host wake kuria tabarĩra-inĩ ya kwibanga uria marehaga nake na agakorwo akihe andu mataro mega muno ona nginya mafans ni makorwo makiumbura ati nima uyu ni mundu marendete muno ni mutumia umwe urari na gitio kinene muno kuri muthuri wake even on camera she would always recognize her husband. Wanjiru Kîeha unfortunately has lost her husband na Ngugi wa Karanja no akorwo agicea ndeto ici aikiuga very dark Sunday to Wanjiru Kîeha after the loss of her husband, Mr. Kîeha. My sincere condolences to MC and Councillor Wanjiru Kîeha and children and the whole family. Mrs. Kîeha is one of our own kwibanga show. On behalf of myself, kwibanga family, poleni sana. Huruko horo Kîeha witu na thutha ucio mafans ni makorwo magicakaya ndeto na Kîeha kinene muno makioya undu uyu na uritu muingi muno na makiumiriria family ino ya Mrs. Kîeha at this difficult and painful time na makiendithĩria Mr. Kîeha kuhuruka kwega. He was a loved man. Maikiuga nima even on the show ni marakoretwo mamumenya through the wife tondu she would always show him so much respect na hindi ciothe gukorwo akimutambura but unfortunately he passed away na magituma condolences ciao na makiumiriria Mrs. Wanjiru Kîeha na njira nene muno mutarani mendete muno kuria kwibanga show na makimwira may God be with them, may God give them strength and comfort, may God give them peace hamwe na family yake. Pauline Wanjiru akiuga woi Mr. Kîeha rest in peace. Mrs. Kîeha, thank you for the respect you gave to this man na akemiri favored akauga rest in peace Kîeha. I appreciate Wanjiru for being there for you till death. Jamaa akauga may God give you peace wherever you deserve. Virginia akauga my condolences to you mutarani witu. You loved your husband to the end. May our almighty God comfort you and your entire family. May he rest in eternal peace na ona ithe. May he rest in eternal peace. Poleni sana kuri family ya Wanjiru Kîeha councillor na MC wegatu. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.